Olá, sou o chefe Vagner, proprietário da Smoked Chef. Nosso restaurante traz pratos da culinária do sul do Brasil, que mistura sabores da cultura alemã e italiana. Seja bem-vindo à Smoked Chef. Nós vamos preparar agora um autêntico churrasco brasileiro, mas para isso a gente vai para outro lugar.
Hello guys, welcome to the new episode of DailyNeeds Kitchen. Today we are here with Vagner from Smoke Chef in Dongguan. Today we would like to propose you 3 new sets that are available on DailyNeeds. The first one with our Australian 150 days grain-fed picanha. The second one with a 1.2 kilo chicken from Argentina, and the third one with 3 different kinds of traditional Brazilian sausages. The first one with Jalapeño and cheddar, the second one with cheese, and the third one is a spicy BBQ sausage. In each of these 3 sets, you will also find available 2 traditional Brazilian side dishes that have been prepared for us by Vagner. Vagner, would you like to tell us something about them?
Today I prepared for DailyNeeds Farofa. Farofa we use for everything for churrasco. And also I prepared pão de queijo. Pão de queijo is bread with cheese inside.
Okay, Vagner, so what do we do now?
Let's go to do churrasco.
Cool.
First step, I will clean the chicken, make a marinade with beer, and the last one, prepare it for churrasco. Parsley, rosemary, pepper, and beer. After 24 hours, our chicken is ready to make a churrasco. And now we need to put espeto. Now I will put the chicken and the churrasqueira. Okay, let's start to do picanha. We can cut in 3 fingers, like this. And now I will put in the espeto. I will season it with salt. Now for sausage. The first one, spicy sausage. The next one, cheese sausage. And the last one, jalapeño with cheddar. Our churrasco is ready. By the way, also you can find our smoked pork ribs and smoked bacon and polenta, unviable and DailyNeeds. So let's try the picanha?
Yes, of course. Wow, it's delicious. Hello guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok and WeChat channel, and see you on the next episode. Bye!